So here's what's left of my latrax teton project. I crashed it going 30-40 miles an hour, I don't know, maybe faster. I was going over the speed limit at least and crashed. All it broke is this right here. It cracked it. And it also broke this. And these break a lot. I even had glue to help it sustain impact better, but it's horrible. One of these relays quit from the damage, from the crash. I don't know how. Got a little bit of dirt in the speaker, but with the downsides, here comes the upside. This, not only can I do that, see if I can stay stable with this. No. Okay. Stable. That is the actual fourth pin here. The white cable is the power. I have it set for power specifically for my Castle ESC. Within that, works pretty good. I'm looking forward to it. About 13 bucks American dollars and I will be fixed. I'll have it all rebuilt. I need to get a 3D printed thing for this and that, and I'll be driving it. I look forward to it, and really the only thing I have left is to figure out the code for these guys, the stepper motor drivers. Stepper motors are in the top of my car, the shell, whatever you want to call it. Not much left, really. That's what you're looking at.